There it is. Oh, that's a good one. Today we're going to be fishing for some toothy critters with the gotcha plug.
Oh yeah, it's a good time, baby.
Woo! Walk right into that one. Followed by cooking our catch. Whew. Beautiful morning here at South Mackeral, guys. We got some live shrimp, live mullet cast netted. We're gonna rig up our rods, we're gonna move to the end, and see what happens, guys. Let's go. I started off by using some live shrimp on a Carolina rig, specifically targeting redfish or keeper black drum. I got something small. Hopefully it's not a hard head. That is a hard head. The hard heads were thick in the channel. We actually got into a Spanish mackerel bite the day before, and the gotcha plug was definitely the key. Alright guys, today we're gonna be fishing for some Spanish mackerel with the gotcha plug. I got 30-pound wire here, 40-pound fluoro, 30-pound main. Let's get out there and let's start casting. There it is. Oh, that's a good one. Oh no, here comes a big wave. On the gotcha plug right there. Early in the morning. Let's go. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do right now is bleed this guy out. It's gonna taste so much more better. Gonna cut his gills right here. What you got there, bro?
Spanish Mackeral.
Chee!
On the gotcha plug.
Heck yeah, man. Oh, both of y'all came off? Yeah. Oh, they just doubled up right now. Juan lost his, Sebas is on right now. Oh, both of y'all lost him.
Oh, it took me off.
Oh, there it is. Come on.
Oh, yeah. Look at it there.
Nice Spanish mackerel, guys. I got your plug. Whew. It's a bit windy, a bit choppy out there, a bit sporty, but these guys are smacking. Let's get back out there, guys. Whew. Awesome. Spanish mackerel going crazy in this rough water. Casting out, guys. Not letting it sink. Just gonna straight retrieve and jig it. There it is.
What's a good one?
That's good. That's what we keep today, bro.
Shoo, that's a good one, guys.
Came out here looking for some drum and redfish in these nasty waters. But surprisingly, these guys are actually out here feeding, and we're getting them on the gotcha plugs, guys. The bite's not crazy, but they're out there. We're getting them. Let's get back out there, guys. What you got there, bro? Alligator gar. TB alligator gar. Oh shit.
Woo! Walk right into that one. Woo! It's cold. They're big ones. I got a big one on. This is a big one. Or it just hooked sideways or something.
Them, guys, and that's just one stringer. We have another one put up right now in the cart over here. These waves are getting really bad. Tide's rising and these waves are coming over the rocks. It's time to get out of here, guys. Let's go cook them up and let's go eat them up. The water was a bit rough and the tide was up. We were actually looking for some black drum or redfish on some live shrimp. However, we quickly found out that they were not there, and the Spanish mackerel were pretty thick out there in that rough water. It was pretty fun, actually. Now I'm back home and I got some Spanish mackerel fillets here. I plan on frying some up and making a special coleslaw, guys. I got some coleslaw here, some carrots, cilantro, limes, jalapeno, mayo, sour cream, some tapatio, and we're gonna be making some fresh corn tortillas, guys. Let's get to it. Guys, we're gonna start off by adding our jalapeno to the cabbage mix that we have there, which is basically green cabbage, a little bit of purple cabbage and carrots. Now I'm gonna add the jalapenos to it. That was 2 jalapenos cut up. Now I'm gonna get some cilantro cut up. Now we're gonna add some mayo. We're gonna add some mayo. A little bit more than that. A little bit more than that. Now we're gonna add some sour cream. Then a little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. A little bit of tapatio. Well, actually more than a little bit. My cat is hungry for fish tacos, guys. Now we're gonna mix this all up. Alright guys, I forgot to add some lime juice. So let's get a little bit of lime juice in there. That looks good. Pretty good consistency here, guys. Now to get our fried fish going. Let's get this in the fridge while we're doing that though. Now I'm gonna mix up a quick binder, guys, for the fish. A little bit of mayo, a little bit of tapatio, and we're gonna mix it up. Now I'm gonna add them to the binder here. Get that spoon out of there. Alright guys, we're going to take a shortcut and use the Louisiana fish fry mix. I'm going to put it here in a gallon bag.
Now to add our Spanish mackerel to the mix, guys. Now we're gonna mix it all up. Get this nice and coated up before it hits the fryer. It looks like our grease is about ready. Time to add the Spanish mackerel in. Whew. The golden crispies, guys. Final golden crispy. Time to make our tacos. Guys, we got ourselves a nice, fresh homemade tortilla here. Now we got a nice golden crispy. Go ahead and make 2 of them on there. And then we have our coleslaw here. We had it chilling in the fridge for a bit. We're gonna put that right on the taco, guys. Let's put a little bit more on there. And we have our Spanish mackerel taco right here. Let's take a bite. That's amazing. I made this coleslaw before in other videos, guys, and I've made it a handful of times, and this coleslaw is delicious, guys. Y'all need to try it yourselves. This taco is amazing. The Spanish mackerel, delicious. This is South Texas Fishing Fam. Make sure to like, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe, guys. We are out. Woo! Walk right into that one. Woo! It's cold.